Why didn't you have something in place before? You knew this was coming.
No, we did have everything in place.
No, you didn't.
Sorry.
I have no power coming until the 5th of February. The only person that prepared for this in my home and in my village is the people who live there. I have had no contact from any member of any authority of any part of the government. You need to get the Dáil. You need to bring it up here to the Western Development Commission. You go and sit and hold the Dáil there for 2 days. No power, no water. I'll tell you. We'll have no knee-jerk reaction then.
Yeah.
Okay?
Okay, and you've made the point. Can I just?
I'm very frustrated.
I can understand fully, and I can understand the anger and all of that. But the National Coordination Emergency Group met well in advance of this storm because they knew how severe the storm was going to be.
Good.
Okay. Every single agency in the country, every local authority, filtered into that group and were asked for their plans. All of them, by the way, had standing plans.
Well, with respect, every local authority, I don't know if I'm the only one here, but those plans didn't work.
Every local authority. Just 2 points. Let me finish the point I'm making, right? Okay, so the ASB, everybody submitted their resilience plans to the NEC before the storm. Okay, the first priority in a storm of this severity, and it was the worst storm we've had in over 50 or 60 years.
Yep.
Is to save lives and to prevent loss of life. That's the overriding initial phase of a response and management of any storm of this severity.
And do you then on the Friday, if I just no, I'm going to say this.
But I just want to make the final point. Okay.
I'm not a politician, I'm going to make my final point, which is that we are already, and this gentleman here is a doctor. We're already having a breakdown in hygiene in the West, in the most civilized, one of the wealthiest countries in the world. That's not acceptable. No hand washing facilities in a house for 7 days is not acceptable. Okay, no water.
No system in the world is going to restore power to 760,000.
What you need to do is listen to us. We know there was a planning committee. The planning failed. We need to get off your system. Your system is failing.
I think most people would understand the grid, actually. I think most people out there would want to stay on the grid.
Guys, those of you who have no electricity for 4 days, the grid working.